देयर इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग एलिमेंट टू द स्टोरी जिसकी वजह से आप देखना चाहेंगे कि नेक्स्ट क्या हो। आई थिंक द स्क्रिप्ट इज़ नॉट बैड, इट लीव्स questions, dialogues are easy to follow. Why she had to get out of the car slow motion, I don't understand. She asks for an instrument. So that to me is like unbelievable that आपका एक scene है hospital का, उसमें भी आपने forceps and I don't know what
उसने क्या बोला?
instrument.
बिल्कुल भी
But one thumbs up वाला good watch.
Nadia is absolutely entitled to her opinion. I did not enjoy it as much as I thought I would. मुझे लेकिन again first episode है तो I am keeping an open mind because the cast is heavy. It's good. There is interesting element to the story जिसकी वजह से आप देखना चाहेंगे कि next क्या हो रहा है। सारे जो characters हैं जिस the way they've been introduced, all of them have been introduced in a very nice manner.
Yeah.
आपको सबका पता चल गया कि कौन कहाँ है। मोहिब के बारे में मैं ज़रा कंफ्यूज हूँ। येस, ही इज़ अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैरेक्टर। आपसे सवाल ये है कि जो फादर की बॉडी दिखाई थी वाज दैट सैफी?
हाँ सैफी।
सो इफ इट वाज देन ही बेटर अपीयर इन द प्ले, अदरवाइज देयर वाज नो पॉइंट।
ये तो अब वो कर रहे हैं ना।
हाँ,
अब हो सकता है वैसे आ भी जाए, लेकिन ये अब वो कर भी रहे हैं ना, तस्वीर लगा दी किसी की, बॉडी दिखा दी, तस्वीर भी लगी हुई है जो अवेलेबल है उसको, हालांकि वरना ज़रूरत नहीं थी, बट आई थिंक आएगा।
बिकॉज
हो सकता है आगे।
हाँ,
अदरवाइज
otherwise
प्रॉब्लम ये
ज़रूरत
होता है ना कि आप एक फेमस बंदे को सिर्फ इसलिए दिखाते हैं बिकॉज आप यूटिलाइज फ्लैशबैक्स में
हाँ,
या कहीं
हो
ना
सकता
कहीं। So
I think आएगा आगे।
अगर वो नहीं होगा तो then it will
It's important.
absolutely be
But
a
then it's-
useless opening ever, because the whole thing of him getting onto the ledge and everything, I mean, if he is a guy who gets onto the ledge over, then he should get onto the ledge after whatever is going to happen.
I think
But
वो
you're
होंगे।
not committing suicide, which means you're not serious about it.
ये भी हो सकता है कि ये भी सारा
So I didn't.
फ्लैशबैक में ले गए हों या वो जहाँ पे वो खड़ा है उसके
So
बाद
that's why I'm saying first episode is, so I can't judge it too harshly. लेकिन अगर ये नहीं आएंगे तो for me मैं बहुत numbers वहाँ काटूंगी।
खैर अभी तो इस पे ना काटे ना, अभी हो सकता है उन्होंने लाना हुआ।
हाँ, but for me, I'm sorry, it was a bit of a. I think the script is not bad. It leaves questions. Dialogues are easy to follow, but nothing that mind में कुछ ऐसी बात रहती नहीं है कि आप कहें वाह, but very easy to follow, यानी कि आज की language के lines है वो हैं। Big, for me, the biggest question, and when you're showing a profession like a doctor's profession, this line that happened comes in both direction and it comes in script. जब मावरा why she had to get out of the car slow motion, I don't understand, but that's the director's problem. But वो आती है और वो delivery room में आती है और उस औरत को हौसला देती है, and then she asks for an instrument. She needs to know the name of that bloody instrument. She's a doctor. You don't ask for it. वो तो पूरा ट्रे उठा के दे देगी आपको. So that to me is like unbelievable that आपका एक scene है hospital का, उसमें भी आपने forceps and I don't know what
उसने क्या बोला?
instrument.
तो साइलेंट ही कर देते, साइलेंट ही कर देते।
Instrument.
कटर कहा था।
Instrument.
And I was thinking why is she cutting right away?
Instrument.
साइलेंट ही हो जाता तो अच्छा था।
So that part I feel goes against everyone, production, whoever was editing, then her gown, that comes into direction. फिर I felt that the cousins, the little girl, her scenes were pointless. They were going nowhere. We had to establish her character. You could have established it in 2 scenes, but they were okay. I wasn't impressed by that, and it was a waste of time from first episode point of view. I think so much more could have happened except watching someone eat gola ganda and putting on churis and and that whole sequence in the.
वो सिचुएशन इंटरेस्टिंग थी कि वो आई है, बाप बड़ा पोजेसिव है लेकिन बेटी निकल गई है घर से बाहर और वो जिस तरह से कवर कर रहे हैं वो, आप उस सिचुएशन में मज़ा तो आ रहा था।
Agreed. but I just felt that there were so many situations like that with this girl.
और
that
उसी
they
में
were
आपने
not- they were
characters भी
not-
define कर दिए. It's
They
the
were,
same,
they were
I
not.
think.
To me, it was a waste of time. I mean,
Okay.
I fast forward because there was nothing being said, and it was just like. I think writing is from the point of view that it is definitely something that is intriguing. You do want to watch the next episode because obviously मोहिब का character जो है वो आपके लिए question mark छोड़ता है कि इसकी शादी होगी. He's showing this very loving side to himself, to her, and then and I thought that was also well done, that part of it. I would say first episode है, so let's be a little kind and say 6.5. Bored with the character, you were not disclosing a character, I don't know. And then the entire जो delivery scene था, from asking from the instrument, फिर उसका जो gown जो मावरा ने पहना, remember this is your main lead, right? And this is a person, you have to have an impression that there's a person who is even in a hospital gown looks smart or looks. It was so crumpled, जैसे कि I think ऐसे मुचड़ के किसी ने रखा होगा और उठा के इन्होंने बस पहना दिया उसको, and it was oversized. So I don't understand, these days these things are very common. आपको तो वो जो disposable वाले भी मिलते हैं, disposable वाले hats मिलते हैं, which look really nice. So it was so shabby, that entire thing was so shabby, and this is her first shot where you're establishing her as a doctor and as a then after जो delivery हो जाती है, normally जब
तो don't you think ये ज़्यादा realistic था कि जो एक डॉक्टर लेबर रूम में होती है वो नहीं केयर करती, खुले ही पहने हुए होते हैं कि if you go to.
नहीं, उसी वक्त ताज़ा निकलता है और बिल्कुल
it's brand new, it's
पैक्ड
washed,
निकलता है because sterilized
it's
चीज़ें
washed,
हैं ना,
it's
हॉस्पिटल है.
sterilized.
So,
उसी
ऐसे
वक्त
नहीं है
पहनते
मुचड़े हुए
हैं.
कपड़े
They don't
गंद में से
even put
निकाल
it-
के
ये नहीं
germs
कि
लगे
पहन
हुए
के-
मरीज के पास जो कि खुला पड़ा है वहाँ पे बेचारा
वो
कोई भी
पहन के
मरीज.
नहीं आते.
She was a surgeon.
हाँ, वो डिलीवरी रूम में ही पहनते हैं. Then मोहिब के कैरेक्टर का जो ओपनिंग सीन था, अगेन आई वाजंट वेरी ऑन बोर्ड विद दैट, बट जो कज़न बच्ची का जो कैरेक्टर था, ये मुझे लगता है कि टोन डाउन होना चाहिए था. वो उसने इतना ओवर किया है और करने दिया है ऑब्वियसली डायरेक्टर ने. आई थिंक द डायरेक्टर नीडेड टू टोन हर डाउन बिकॉज शी वॉज द सेम इन एवरी सीन. It wasn't like she was calm in one scene and then she gets excited about something else. Even in the eating scenes, motorcycle pe se chalo 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 chalo, this was the speed of all her scenes, and there were too many of them, and I feel that's where director needed to pull back a little bit. I feel that, and that's about it. Also, the entire dance at the Mayu, you didn't need to see the whole dance. And अगर आपने पूरा डांस दिखाना है, then it needed to be choreographed a little better. So I'll give him. Actually, I want to 4.5. अच्छा, तो लगता नहीं कि एक्टिंग कर रही है. She makes the character her own. एक फ्लो है उनकी परफॉर्मेंस में. अगर मैं मार्क्स ले रही हूँ माबरा से, it's in that delivery scene. 20,000 I'm sure आगे से वो आ जाएंगे, लेकिन why wasn't production prepared for it? So if it comes into production needs to say कि we were not prepared for it. And Myra is an educated girl. You won't देखो, you will never ask for an instrument. You're a doctor. You've gone through 7 years of studies and 2 years of a house job and everything, and that's what you're going to ask for. So only there I'll take. Otherwise, she is someone who you really enjoy watching as a performer. So I will give her, sorry bache, but I'm taking away lots of marks, 6.
6. Good job.